Oh, we're back. Yeah, that's why I'm before time. But do you remember you used to watch all those? You don't remember.
Wow,
You got a card.
Hey, open it first.
What's it say? There's 3, 1 balloon. Woo! 2 balloons. It's for Sandy.
Oh boy. Turn them over. Let's see them.
That's on, Michael. Look. You did it. Oh, cute. Did you see a card? Those are cards? You think you can be? You Richard? Can I get a kiss? Thank you. You're not done yet. Not done yet, Michael. This is for Mommy and Daddy.
You're making out like a bandit.
Right?
I know.
Ooh, you don't think that. That's Spider-Man backpack. Find in there. Take that backpack and go.
I didn't put that in there. Hey, it's my movie. I didn't put the movie. It's my movie. You little booger. You must have put the frogs in there. You little booger, you took my video. You took my video. I put the cookies in the food box in there.
There's finding stuff in there.
And it's got wheels. This is weird.
All right.
Cool. Yeah, Robbie, just put it back in here. Hey.
You'll get back with the
Is that for you guys?
I can sure is.
There's one. Wait a minute. Will you open them all?
What?
Will you open them all?
Yeah.
He doesn't like Spider-Man at all.
No.
All right. One more. One more.
Hey,
Okay.
where I parked earlier.
Okay. This is from Uncle Good and Aunt Christine. Oh, boy. Look.
Look out, brother.
My God.
Hold it.
There's more. Look. There's Ducky. Look. Ducky!
That's okay.
He's going for the gun.
Uh-oh. Brothers are going to get shot. I can see it coming.
Wow.
Wow.
I want to come over and play.
Not right now. You can play later.
It's okay, it's okay. I'll play with this one. Wow, oh, it's got cars, isn't it? How cool. All right, we'll take them out in a little bit, okay, baby?
Hey.
Look at the ducky and the puppy. All right.
Ooh, soft.
You want to have cake? You want cake? There's your bee, too. Look.
Is he done?
I'll take it back.
He wants the...
I know. He wants the gun.
You want to get down for a minute?
I'm sorry.
That was my... You did. I found my toe.